Hi guys, it's Alex from Thestylejungle here, and today we have another review for you. We have a new DJI Mavic Pro which was released like a week ago, and this is the latest drone in their product line, so we're very excited to test it for ourselves, and this is actually one of the first examples here in New Zealand. As you can see, the weather outside is not very great for flying drones, but luckily we had a very great day yesterday testing out this thing, and now we have a lot of things to share with you. But before we start, let's do a quick unboxing of this thing. As you can see, it's quite a great package for the drone, because you have everything you need. You don't have a memory card shipped with this thing, but it has 8 gig of internal storage, so don't worry, because if you need more you can always just buy a micro SD card for yourself. It's a great thing to have this internal storage, because if for some reason you just forgot your memory card at home, you still can shoot something. So reviews are not only about talks, it's more about hands-on. So let's dive into the first test we made yesterday. I was really surprised with the quality of the footage we filmed yesterday. It's 4K and it's sharp, it's very steady, the drone is very stable even in very windy conditions, because we filmed on top of the hill and it was a lot of wind there, but drone just stays very stable almost in any condition. It has different modes obviously, so you can shoot photos and videos, and for videos you get 4K, you can get full HD with different FPS, so you can do slow-mo in 120 frames per second, which is very useful. For example, yesterday we filmed a couple of waves coming to the beach, and it was really epic. Mavic, as most of the latest drones from DJI, has a lot of smart features. So for example, active track, where it follows the person or object, big panorama, hyperlapse. It's just amazing how smart it is actually. Previous drone we had was Phantom 4. It has a lot of smart functions, but this thing comes in smaller enclosure but even more functions, and it's just so amazing to have this thing like in your pocket all the time when you travel, and be able to have all of this high-end technology packed in this. So you may be wondering, what is the flight time of this tiny drone? And it's actually surprising as well, because you can get up to 30 minutes with just standard battery. Our first test showed that it was slightly less than 30 minutes. I think it was about 23-25 minutes, but it was quite windy. So I think that's just because of that. On our second test, it was flying smoothly and the battery life was really about 30 minutes. It's amazing because with Phantom 4 we have it's about 15 minutes. That's all you can get from that big drone in the air. So it's a big benefit of this small drone, and that's why I'm so happy to have it. Another exciting thing about DJI Mavic 2 is that the Pro version comes with Hasselblad camera made in Sweden. This is the first small drone where you can manually adjust the aperture. So it comes with a lens that starts the aperture from 2.8. Latest technology. This is all about Mavic 2 Pro. For obstacle avoidance, it has a lot of sensors on every side of the drone. So obviously you have 2 sensors on the front side, 2 sensors at the back side, 1 sensors each side, left and right, 4 sensors here at the very bottom. So you can pay less attention to what's happening with your drone and be more focused on flying and filming and just having fun. So when we were testing it yesterday, we tried to hit ourselves with a drone, which was not very smart thing to do, but that was the only way to test this function of obstacle avoidance. So I tried to push the drone forward to me, and it stopped at the distance of 2 meters, and when I tried to reach it, it was just steady and didn't want to go any further. So that's a great thing, and I'm pretty sure it saves a lot of drones from crashing. So all these sensors obviously work with smart modes as well, so whenever it does like point of interest, for example, when it circles around the object, it is aware of obstacles. So for example, if it can hit something potentially, it adjusts the trajectory so it just avoids the obstacle and comes around it. And it's great. I mean, it's very surprising that everything is packed in this tiny drone. While we were filming, disastrous storm came, so I'm not sure if we can get back home now. So we need a boat probably. That's the best time to end this review. I hope it will help you guys to make a decision on whether to buy this drone or not, but I highly recommend to consider buying this drone if you are looking for one at the moment. Please make sure to check other videos from our review playlist, so click on the corner and dive into these videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!